Come with me, and you'll be in a world of pure imagination.
You're the Willy Wonka behind the drinks.
I'm the candy man behind the drinks here.
That's legit.
Veruca can't go anywhere without her purse, equipped with her grenade.
Pink, sparkles, and a side of grenade. Charlie and the Chocolate Factory is one of my favorite books of all time. So whenever I heard that there was a play on Broadway in New York City, I had to come check it out. We've got a golden ticket. Let's go behind the scenes.
We have so much time and so little to see.
First step, time to meet Veruca Salt. Hi!
Welcome to my dressing room.
So this is where the magic happens.
Yes.
For the actual magic.
Yes. This is my little sanctuary. I bring pictures of my family and just things to make it feel a little more homey.
Nicely handled, Veruca. She's a girl who knows where she's going.
I have a little squirrel finger puppet that's all blinged out. And my wig woman comes in because I have a really big blonde wig. In this version, she's a Russian ballerina. But these are all my point shoes. There are probably like 10, 15 pairs in here that I've gone through since February. My beautiful tutu, encrusted in Swarovski crystals. No, just kidding. They're just rhinestones. Well, Veruca Salt, it would be Swarovski crystals.
Yeah.
My favorite part of the costume is this custom mink fur. Veruca can't go anywhere without her purse, equipped with her grenade.
Well, on that note, I'm gonna back away slowly and maybe check out the concessions.
We're there.
Where?
Here. A small step for mankind, but a giant step for us.
Guys, this is the chocolate bar, where all of the candy and all of the insane Wonka-inspired drinks are found. Let's check it out.
We've got anything you could possibly want. Chocolate bars, lollipops, cotton candy, 5 different flavors of popcorn, toasted cinnamon crunch, that's my favorite.
Okay, I think I need to try cake batter crunch.
All right. Regular popcorn dipped in white chocolate, sprinkles.
It smells like cake and popcorn and kind of like pretzels. I guess that's the saltiness. Whoa, that's legit. And great crunch from those sprinkles. Kind of need a drink to go with it.
We have a special drink right now called the chocolate schnozberry. It's basically like a vodka cran with a little twist of chocolate.
I can't pass up the opportunity to know what a schnozberry finally tastes like.
Who ever heard of a snozberry?
So what's the key to a great chocolate schnozberry?
Basically, it's just to not over cran. And it all goes in your nice Charlie and the Chocolate Factory souvenir cup.
How'd you guys come up with this menu?
That was me, actually.
Wait, really?
Yeah, for reals.
You're the Willy Wonka behind the drinks.
Yeah, I'm the candy man behind the drinks here.
I feel like I'm licking the wallpaper from Willy Wonka. It's like a chocolate-covered cranberry.
Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, you know, there's so many great characters or moments that you're like, oh, that would be a fun title for a drink.
Violet, you're turning violet, Violet!
What are you talking about?
The poor girl, she blows up
She
into
gets
a
blown
blueberry.
up into a blueberry, you know? She's
Yeah.
gotta have a drink on the menu.
And she's sent to the juicer, so like
Right,
what do they
right.
do with all that juice?
It's here.
Now I'm ready to party. Or watch the show. It's basically the same thing, right?
When a boy like you looks to the sky.
I had my doubts going into this play, but I gotta say, it surpassed my wildest expectations. It didn't just rehash the book and the movie, it put its own spin on it. And best of all, it was a little bit dark and kind of messed up, like Veruca literally getting torn limb from limb by dancing squirrels. All in all, it's crazy, it'll mess with your head, and it's delightful. Check it out.
Into those skies, your future